You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of these retail stores. Let's say that you find across France, including in Paris. We'll be looking at how to say more French names that many mispronounce. In French, in France, it's said as galerie. Galerie, yes, the E and the S at the end are silent. It's French, Galeries Lafayette. So in English, Galeries Lafayette. Galeries Lafayette. Have fun there to do some shopping. And more videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.